Fettuccine Alfredo, pepperoni, cannelloni, Figueroa, menacati, fettuccini, peppercini, cannoli, olive oil. This is it right now. That's okay because we're in Venice. Very busy.
It's our last stop.
We're here having some pizza. We got the Diavola.
We just went to like a free art exhibit and there's some really strange art there. Shredded $1 million and shredded €1 million. Art. We made it to San Marco!
Piazza San Marco. Welcome to the square. Venture forth your eyes and feast them on the tower.
Oh my god, I hope it doesn't poop. What happened?
We threw the drone up to get some shots of the canal and a little video. And about 20 seconds into the flight, a swarm of seagulls, really mad, huge, gigantic albatross-sized seagulls, started clucking and squawking and zooming right at the drone like they were really mad. Last day, heading out, going back to Orlando. We're leaving Venice. Sad day after 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. Flight's at 11.
We're sad.
But I have reignited vigor and energy to help plan a really epic adventure.
Alright, we'll see you in the US.
Tomorrow. It's a pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta.
Toppins, toppins, toppins.
What did that lady said? Is it pie?
Welcome to Pagata. Carbonara, pasta carbonara. Hot pizza, hot pasta. Welcome to Sisi's.
Now I'm hungry. I need pizza.
And we out.